Alright, welcome to Colossus Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. In today's class we are going to be talking about inequality. Now when we talk about inequality, when we are solving questions on inequality, it is just like the normal way. Just like, look at this example now. You have 2x minus 3 equal to x plus 7. I think it is just the normal way you are going to solve this thing that we are going to solve this also. I get what I'm saying. Inequality just means that what they are not equal. I think that now, and that is why we are using the word the inequality signs. I think that. And what are the basic inequality signs? We have the less than, we have the greater than, we have the less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, then we have not greater than, not less than, then not greater than, not less than or equal to. I think that then not greater than or what or equals to. I think that these are the basic inequality signs. I think that now. All right, so you should note that. All right, you should note those basic inequality signs. I'm sure you know some of them already. All right, so now let's come back to this. Before I go into the solution, I want to give you some basic rule under inequality. I get what I'm saying. So I want to give you the basic rule under inequality. Now look at the first one is that you must know. The first thing you must know is that if, let me write it here, if A is greater than B and C is greater than what? Than D. Now look at this. And C is greater than 0. Let's say C is greater than 0. Now look at this. If A is greater than B and then C is greater than 0, what does that mean? Then that means if I do A plus C, it will surely be greater than what? Than B plus C. You may not understand unless I use numbers. So let's say our A is 2, our B, no, greater, let's say our A is 3 and B is 2, then C is 1. So let's say A is equal to what? 2, B is equal to, no, A is equal to 3, A is equal to 3, B is equal to 2, and then C is equal to what? 1. Now that means what this rule is saying, that what if 3 is greater than what? Than 2, and 1 is greater than what? 0, automatically 3 plus 1, are you seeing that now? Is it not greater than 2 plus 1? You can see that this is what? 4 greater than what? Than 3. Are you seeing that now? That is the first rule. Are you seeing that? The same thing applies to less than. If it is less than, are you seeing that? If it is less than, it will also be less than. So you can do that on your own. If A is less than what? Than B, and C is what? Is less than what? And C is greater than 0 rather, and C is greater than 0, then what? A plus C will be less than what? B plus C. Are you seeing that now? It is still the same thing. Are you seeing that now? A plus C will still be less than what? Than B plus C. All right, so let's come to our example here. But all these ones are just basic. They are just basic rules that you need to know. I get what I'm saying, so that as we continue this, you would have an understanding when we apply some of them. But don't worry, if I'm to apply any of them in anything I'm doing, I would surely write them out. I get what I'm saying. Now another major rule that I want you to know is that in inequality, once you divide both sides by a negative sign, the inequality sign will change. So if A is greater than what? Than B. I say no, if minus A is greater than B, then automatically, here you divide both sides by minus. Automatically it means A is less than what? Minus B. Are you seeing that now? Let's look at the example. Let's say minus 3 is greater than minus, no, a is less. I want to use something greater. Minus 3 is greater than what? Minus 5. Yes, we know. Here now you divide. If you multiply, or if you divide both sides by what? By minus, automatically the sign will change, and that will be what? 3 is less than what? 5. You can see that this is now correct. Sure you get? So when you multiply both sides by minus, or you divide both sides by minus, the inequality sign will change. This is one thing I need you to know. All right, now let's see our first solution. All right, before going to that again, another thing you need to know, under the number line representation now, I see number line representation, you see this is greater than. I see this is greater than means it will face this side. I see, because this is the positive x, sorry, this is less than sign, abi. This is negative x axis, this is positive x axis. So when you say x is less than 5, that means the arrow will go towards this side. But if it is greater than, you can see where the arrow is facing, that means it will face this side. Are you seeing that? Now if it is greater than or equal to, then it will have a painted circle. These ones will not be painted. Are you seeing that now? Because it is greater than or less than. But once it is greater than or equal to, it will be painted. Are you seeing that? Less than or equal to, this for less than or equal to now, and this for what? Greater than or what? Or equal to. Are you seeing that? You should note all these things. All right, so now let's come to our first question. We have 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 what? Let me see that. 2x minus 3, sorry, let me shift that to this side. All right, so we have 2x minus 3 less than x plus 7. 2x minus 3 less than what? X plus what? 7. Are you seeing that now? This is a very simple one. So what you are going to have here, you just make x the subject of formula, bring x here, take this minus 3 to this side. So this will be what? 2x minus x. Are you seeing that now? Less than what? What is here? 7. If minus cross, it will turn to what? Plus 3. Don't forget I told you that it is the normal thing that you are just doing in your equation that you are just doing here. So 2x minus x will give us what? X less than what now? 10. I see. You can see that here you are not dividing with anything, so the values will remain the way it should be. Now if you are to represent this on number line, how will it be? It will be like this. Abi, can you see now? X is less than 10. So let's say this is 0, 1, let's just say 5, 7 and 10. Then let's say 13. Are you seeing that now? X is less than 10. That means it will be from here like this, and it will move. Sorry, I'm coming on. I've made a mistake there. This is a positive. This is a positive line. So since our value is positive, so let's say this is 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 10. I get what I'm saying? We are just labeling it anyhow. Alright, but on a normal line, you label it accordingly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now this is 10. Are you seeing that now? It's coming from 10. Are you seeing that now? Less than. So the values will be less than. So this will be the representation on number line. Are you seeing that now? But let's assume that the value is what? X less than or equal to 10. Are you seeing that? If it is less than or equal to 10, if it is less than or equal to 10, that will be the same thing that we have here. 0, let's say 0, 1, 2, 5, 10. Are you seeing that? It will now be from here like this. Then you paint this inside. Are you seeing that? You paint this and then you move it like this. Sure you get? So this means it is less than or equal. Sure you get? So the representation really matters a lot. All right, so the second question The second question says 3x. The second question is 3x plus, let me change our pen so that it can be different from what we've done. All right, so let's use blue for this. So we have the second question, which is what? 3x plus 4, 3x plus 4 greater than 3x plus 4 greater than 1 minus 2x. 1 minus 2x. All right, don't forget to subscribe. So this is the question we are trying to solve now. We've done this, I think. So this is the next one we are trying to solve. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So the next thing, just make x better formula. So this will become what? 3x. If we bring minus 2 to this side, it will become what? Plus 2x. Greater than what? 1. If you bring 4 to this side, it will become what? Minus 4. Are you seeing that now? So 3x plus 2x will become what? 3x plus 2x will give us what? 5x. Greater than what? Minus 3. Are you seeing that now? You know, you are making x better formula. So here you divide both sides by what? By 5. Are you seeing that now? By 5. 5 cancel 5. That means x is greater than what? Minus 3 over what? Over 5. Are you seeing that now? Now you can see that here it is x and making split of formula. So I cannot say that the sign will change here because of this minus here. But let's assume that it is minus 5x that I have. Then the sign will what? Will change. Sure, you get the idea what I'm saying now? That is when the sign will change. But here it is x and making split of formula. So the sign will not change. Are you following now? Alright, so if you are to represent this on number line, so since it is greater, so we have the negative x axis. Are you seeing that now? And then let's say this is our point 0. Are you seeing? Let's say this point minus 3 over 5. You know, this is negative side, so you know that it will come from here like this. Are you seeing that now? And then move towards this where the arrow is facing. So you see the idea what I'm saying now? Very simple. All right, so the third question here says that 5 minus x is less than 7. 5 minus x is what? Less than what? 7. Are you seeing that now? Now you want to make a better formula, so you bring 5 to this side. That will become minus x less than what? 7 minus what? 5. You know, if plus cos it will turn to minus, so this will not be what? Minus x less than what? 2. Are you seeing that now? Now you can see in this case now you have minus x and you want to make x the subject of what? Formula. So here you divide both sides by what? By minus 1. Minus 1. And that means your x will now be, the sign will now change to what? To greater. Are you seeing that now? 2 divided by minus 1, minus 2. Do you understand that now? That is what I was trying to tell you why by that sign that I have been using. Sure, you get the idea now? So now if you want to represent this on the number line now, what will it be? You know, you will have the number line. Then let's say this point 0. We have negative 1, negative 2. Are you seeing that now? So it will come from here and move towards this side. Are you seeing that now? You can see that is the answer to that question. All right, now we have the last one, which is a double inequality. Now to solve this, you need to calm down. Are you seeing that? That's why I put it as the last question. You need to really calm down. Now if you want to do this, you are just going to what? You are just going to split the signs. So you first take this and this. I get what I'm saying? You first solve this and this, then you now solve this and this. Are you seeing? Let me change that pen there. After solving the black box first, then you now solve the green box. Are you seeing that? Then after that, then you join them together, and that will be your answer. Sure, you get the idea what I'm saying now? It's a very simple one. Also, you don't need to look at it like one big thing. All right, so let's solve that here. We have 3x minus 2 less than x plus 1 less than or equals to what? 2x plus what? Plus 3. Are you seeing that now? So you first take this one. So that means that we have 3x minus 2 less than what? X plus 1. That will now be what? 3x minus x less than what? Less than 1 plus 2. I'm sure you know what I'm doing there. I collect like 10. So this will be what? 2x. I think that 2x less than what? Less than 3. Sure you get the idea? Then what will I do now? Divide both sides by what? By 2. By 2. That means x is less than what? 2. X is less than what? 3 over 2. Are you seeing that now? Then the second stage now. Let's do the second stage here. The second stage will now be what? X plus 1. Are you seeing that now? Less than or equal to what? 2x plus 3. So I'm doing this part now. Remember what I told you then. So this is what I'm doing now. So this will now be what? X. I'll bring this 2x to this side. So that will be minus 2x less than or equal to what? 3 minus 1. So this will now give us minus x, because x minus 2x will give you minus x. Then less than or equal to what? 2. Are you seeing that now? Then here you will divide both sides by what? By minus. That means x will now be what? Greater than or equal to what now? Minus 2. Are you seeing that now? X will now be greater than or equal to minus 2. Now you can see that here now you now have two answers. Are you seeing that now? You have two answers. That is, x is such that your x is what? Minus 2 less than or equal to. Are you seeing? If you say that x is greater than or equal to minus 2, that means I can also say that minus 2 is less than or equal to what? X. You can see. Let's assume that x is 5. Let's assume that x is 5. That means 5 is greater than or equal to what? Minus 2. Is it not the same thing as saying minus 2 is less than or equal to what? 5. Sure, you see. So that is what you can see that I am writing here. So minus 2 is greater than or equal, minus 2 is less than or equal to what? X. While your x is also less than this one now. Your x is also less than what? 3 over 2. Are you seeing that? Now if you want to represent this on the number line, yes, this is where it gets interesting. If you want to represent it on number line, so let's say these are a number line. Are you seeing that? Let's say these are a number line. Alright, these are, let's call this our point 0. These are point 0. You know, this is the negative part. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Are you seeing that now? Then 3 over 2 is on the positive side. Are you seeing that now? 3 over 2. So let's say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. 3 over 2 is the same thing as what? As 1.5. Are you seeing that? So we know that 1.5 will be in here. Are you seeing that now? So we have minus 2. So you can see now, this one now, they will join each other. I get what I'm saying. So we have at minus 2. Are you seeing that now? At minus 2, you can see. Don't forget I told you that it will be, because it is greater than or equal to. Don't forget this is it. Are you seeing that? Greater than or equal to. Where is the arrow going to? You can see it's going towards this side. Sure, you see that now? Let me shorten it a bit. Are you seeing that? It's going towards this side. I've done this one now. Are you seeing that now? Then now, let's change the pen now. Now, 3.3 over 2, which is the same thing as 1.5. That's from here. Yes or no? You can see that this one now, is it less than or equal to? No. So this will just be circle and it will move towards this side. Sure, you get the idea now. So this is the representation. Are you seeing that? But on a normal day, you just join them together. Are you seeing that now? you just join them together. So this is the representation of what you would have. I get what I'm saying now. All right, so let me give you assignments. I get what I'm saying. I'm going to give you different assignment. The first one is you have to solve and represent on a number line. Solve and represent this on a number line. 3x plus 2 less than or equal to x plus 4. You have to solve and represent on a number line. Are you getting what I'm saying? Solve and represent on number line. Then the next one, number 2, let me say, let's say 1 over 2x plus 3 greater than 1 minus x. So this one too, you have to solve and represent on number line. I see that. The number 3, you have to solve and represent on number line. X squared plus x minus 6 greater than 0. Now you can see this one. You know, this is a quadratic equation, so you will solve it quadratically. When you solve it quadratically, you will get two answers, one positive, one negative. I get what I'm saying. Then when you do that, you would know where the arrows will face. I see that now. So you just do what you have to do and you will get the answer that is needed. All right, so I'll just leave this assignment for you. All right, I'll leave this assignment for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Let me make it 5 assignment. Number 4, let me just make it 5 so that you can also solve it well. All right, so do this one to 2 minus 3x. 2 minus 3x is greater than or equals to x minus 3. Yes, do this one also. Then the last part that I did, let me also give you that part, and that is 2x plus 4 less than x plus 3 less than or equals to, just less than 4x minus 5. Are you seeing that now? Okay, so let me do something here. 3x minus 4 less than 2x plus 1 less than or equals to 3x plus 2. So just do these ones. Don't do this one yet. In the next class, I would probably solve example on this. I get what I'm saying. So just do these ones. So just do these 5. Question 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So just do this question 1 to 5 as assignment and submit. You can also comment your answer in the comment section. All right, so thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Right.